So we're here on our 6th day of quarantine from the coronavirus. I know you guys don't usually hear me talk like this. Most of the sounds in my videos are usually only popping and cracking of people's spines. But I really want to take this time to encourage everyone to stay home, be patient with this until we find out some more information about the coronavirus, but also take advantage of this time. Do some really serious self-care and some self-love with your downtime. And if you're around your families and your loved ones, and make sure you're supporting each other, make sure you're helping each other out and just enjoying each other's company. For Philly Chiro, that means cracking them up.